the years, their involvement with the pipeline sector has seen many new developments, particularly the success of their patented pipe bursting technique. It was developed in the early 80s in conjunction with British Gas. Since its initial application for gas mains replacement, it has now been successfully introduced into the water industry. The replacement of 3, 4, 5 and 6-inch cast iron mains being the most common candidates, although other pipe diameters and materials can be considered. Replacement is achieved by passing the pipeline insertion machine, or PIM, through the main, bursting it in situ, leaving a passage through which a new polyethylene main can be inserted. The new pipe may be of equal or greater diameter than that being replaced. Let us consider a typical urban location. The PIM technique will be seen to avoid the normal disruption caused by traditional open cut, with all the benefits of safer access to property, less traffic disruption, and more convenient environment for the public. The reduction in open excavation also ensures a considerable saving in both the temporary and permanent reinstatements required. A length of main, normally between 70 and 100 meters, is selected. Launch and reception pits are excavated, and all intermediate services and fittings exposed. Finally, the main is isolated. A string of PVC sleeve pipe is positioned behind the PIM unit and all the necessary hoses threaded through. 3 connections are made to the PIM unit. Firstly, the pneumatic air hose to power the main hammer. Secondly, the hydraulic hose to operate the nose rams. And finally, the sleeve tensioning cable. The sleeve pipe is then inserted into the rear of the machine and tensioned by employing a special sledge unit. The PVC sleeve pipe is employed when replacing cast iron pressure mains to prevent any danger of point loading or notching of the new polyethylene pipe if it had been inserted directly. The hydraulic winch is positioned at the reception excavation, braced off the existing pipe and stabilized. The cable is then fed through the main and coupled to the nose cone of the PIM unit. This will provide directional stability and monitor the progress of operation. The hoses are connected to ancillary equipment and the PIM unit is now positioned ready for launch. The compressor is started and the unit starts impacting. Progress of between 1 to 2.5 meters per minute is possible. Vibration, noise levels, and surface disruption have all been independently monitored and found to be acceptable. Ryan's experience in the application of the technique ensures that damage to adjacent underground plant is avoided. Here, the PIM unit can be clearly seen passing through a service connection hole. Encrustation or corrosion of the pipe doesn't prevent good progress. The hammer action drives the unit forward, breaks open the main, and provides the motive force to tow the sleeve pipe into position. When When the hammer action is insufficient to crack the main due to obstructions such as clamps and other fittings, tension is registered at the winch. The hydraulic hand pump is therefore operated and the nose rams activated at the front of the machine. The spigot and socket joint in this instance is split open. The nose rams automatically retract and the PIM unit continues on its journey. While replacement of the main takes place, the last section of the polyethylene carrier pipe can be seen being butt welded together. The PIM unit can now be seen arriving at the reception excavation. It's removed from the excavation and all hoses disconnected. The exposed sleeve pipe is cut at all the service connectors and mains fittings locations. The completed string of polyethylene carrier pipe is now winched through the sleeve. This takes only a matter of minutes. Intermediate hydrants and T's can be inserted before the new pipe is reconnected to the live main. It's then swabbed, chlorinated and flushed through. All other mains, fittings and service connections are completed. All excavations are backfilled and temporary reinstatement provided. Complete replacement of the water main is achieved in one day. DJ Ryan and Sons, continuing to provide cost-effective solutions to all your underground pipeline problems.